بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
On the 26th of May 2024, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, presided over the concluding session of the annual WaqFe Ijtema 2024. The concluding session began with Tilawat, Nazm and a brief report, after which Hazur addressed the attendees.
Today, with the grace of Allah, you have had the opportunity to participate in the National WaqFe Ijtema. I hope and pray that whatever positive and beneficial things you have learned come to form a permanent feature of your life. Certainly, for the perpetual progress and well-being of any nation or community, it is of the utmost importance that its youth are well educated and of high moral standing.